and we're gonna sing it to you guys. So yeah. Inside a girl is a unicorn. She's creative and strong with her magical horn. She likes to make rainbows up in the sky, sparkles and glitters me oh my. Unicorn power, 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 unicorn power. She flies with the birdies and butterflies. She likes to eat Skittles and colorful pies. Her mane is made out of cotton candy, pink and magenta and very fluffy. Unicorn power, 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 unicorn power. Unicorn with the horn, she yours, kettle corn, cupcakes, ice cream, anything you could dream. Lollipops, ice pops, chips with glitter, top, Oreo and fried oats, and a frappuccino. Then her belly started to hurt. Oh no! Rainbow! She marked out 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 rainbow! She found in my Disneyland with Mickey Mouse. She went to the mall and bought a colorful blouse. Her heart is so big that she bursts with love. We are unicorns and we're made of unicorn power, 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 unicorn power.
Streaming violence, ladies and gentlemen, from the Imagine Music Studio. Don't forget to donate to these cause. If you can give a little extra, I think I will. It'll be really appreciated. We love all you guys so much. There's so many